let's get sunny with this really gorgeous and super delicious sunflower cake. Yes, and why make it in just the summertime? Make it in the winter too. Start by rolling out some green fondant icing. And we are going to be cutting out leaf shapes. Using a small knife to create the detail. Putting a cocktail stick in one end. Little bit more detail, like down the middle and the veins of the leaf. There we go. Make a few of those and then get your cake, we're using vanilla cake, and add some chocolate buttercream icing. Let's coat the entire outside. Yum yum, this looks delicious. You could even use chocolate ganache. Once that's smoothed over, we're just going to make a little circular indent in the middle and start to stick on our fondant leaves all around the edge. We've got 6 of those. Pipe on some yellow buttercream icing around the outer circle. You can use different shaped nozzles to create these effects. So we're using a thin serrated edge nozzle and piping it on through a food piping bag, layering it like so for the petals. And adding chocolate sprinkles in the middle. And a few other sprinkles too. And there you have it. Pretty easy, right? Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So, fancy a slice of sunflower? Don't mind if I do.